Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you a little bit of how to pose a baby on his side. That means it's something like this pose in here, and I will show you a baby where I photograph the position of the baby, and then I will start up with how I position the baby on the beanbag, how I position my light. I will show you a little bit behind the scenes, and then I'm going into the Photoshop and I will show you what kind of images I got from this session. After I do this pose, the side laying pose, how I call it, you will see that I transition into the bum up pose. And that video, you will find it in here or somewhere in here. So go and watch the bum up pose if you want to watch my transition, the side pose. And why? Is because the baby stays on his side with his hands under his side cheek. Be careful to bring his hand right under the cheek so you make that little cheek rounded beautiful. Now let's start posing the baby. As you will see, my beanbag and my light, it's already positioned in the right way. I just want to make sure that when I put the baby on the beanbag, I don't need to fumble around to bring the beanbag and the light. But what I want you to make sure also is that you already put your posing beans underneath the baby. As you'll see, where I had that wrap, I have like a hole inside there where I will position the baby. Also, make sure that you cover the baby so you can keep it warm all the time. The baby usually needs to be in a sleepy position in here, so for you to be easy to pose. Now, this is the tricky part where you have to put his hands like in a little prayer and push them right under his cheek. Imagine you holding your hands like you're praying and pushing them under your cheek to go to sleep. Same thing with the baby. Then what you have to make sure is that the baby, it's a little bit lopsided, so he's not flat on the beanbag. It's in an angle. And make sure that his back follows a line towards the back of your backdrop. As you see, he's a little bit inclined and his legs, back legs, are in the back side of his elbows. Make sure that his legs are beautiful bent and you don't show anything like the intimate parts. Then take a shot, see how the light its position, and slightly change the light, adjust the baby. Always make sure that you take shots, secure shots, before you do any changes, because if the baby will cry and move, at least you have something. Besides changing your light and position in the right light angle, make sure you change your station where you shoot from, or the point of station. Make sure that you go above the baby and you take a shot from the top. Make sure you come from the side. You can take a portrait shot if you want. Also, you can change the hats, you can change the wraps. From here, as you see, because the video is on speed up, but usually you can take longer time to change the outfits or whatever you want. But from this position, from the side laying, usually I go into the bum up pose. And you'll see how I flip him on his tummy, put the legs under his tushy, and then cover that bum, and I start posing him with the bum up pose. If you want to see that video, you have it a link below or in the comments, so just go and click on that video and you will see that pose. I hope you understand this pose and I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any other questions, don't forget to put them below. Now I would like to show you what we got in the camera, which means it's raw, it's not edited, it's straight out of camera. As you'll see, this is where we played with the hands to make them beautiful underneath his cheek and show that little cheek a little bit more. Now you see his lips are a little bit on the side, but that's not a problem because as we move into the next picture, you'll see he was beautiful smiling and he looks amazing. Another picture, this is where I'm moving my angle a little bit, my camera, so I will take a little bit more shots than I need to, just to make sure that I have the right light, I have the right angle, I have the right beautiful smile. And again, we change that angle, totally different angle. We come a little bit from above. You could add some hat in here. And I do love this pose because it shows a little bit more of the back and shoulder. So you can add the hat, different wraps, and so on. Awesome, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes it's hard to video every session because it's just me, no other assistants. But please, if you love this video, put your comments below. Let me know what else would you like to see. I will make more video and I will put as much content as I can in my beautiful small YouTube channel for now. But I hope that you will spread the news about me and you will communicate with me and you'll let me know what else you want to see. So till next time, please don't forget there is a link to the bama pose video, so go and watch that one too. Have a great day. See you next time.